How big the Indian maize diversity is. Origin of maize. Teoscinate. It is the wild progenitor of corn. Maize was first originated at Mexico. It spread to California, Brazil, Chile, Virginia and rest of the world due to its ability to grow in diverse conditions. It was known that the Mayan civilization people were the first to cultivate maize several centuries before. Columbus found the cultivated maize at Haiti in 1492. Evolution of corn. This picture clearly represents the evolution of modern corn from Teoscinate. Corns are of different colors: white corn, yellow corn, bicolored corn, multicolored corn and black corn. Physical description of maize. Male inflorescence, female inflorescence, cob and kernel. Maize, it is a highly cross-pollinated crop. Hence, maize plants are the gallery for phenotypical variations. Phenotypical diversity among maize. Character of the ear. The first figure represents the straight arrangement of the kernel, where the second represents the spiral arrangement, where the third represents irregular arrangement. Angle between the blade and stem. Angle of the blade. Anthracene coloration on the leaf. Hairs on the blade. Anthracene coloration on the auricle. Hairs on the auricle. Anthracene coloration on the stem. Anthracene coloration on the root. Anthracene coloration on the tassel in the base. Anthracene coloration on the tassel excluding the base. Anthracene coloration on the anthers. Density of the spikelets. Attitude of the tassel. Anthracene coloration on the silk. Length of the tassel. Ear placement in the plant. Width of the blade. Diameter of the ear without husk. Shape of the ear. Type of the grain. Color of the top of the grain in the ear. Anthracene effect on the gloom of the cob. Row arrangement in the kernel. Kernel characteristics. Kernel shape. Types of corn. Pod corn. It is more of an ornamental type. It is not grown commercially. Dent corn. It is also known as field corn. It is characterized by the presence of horny endosperm. Uses of dent corn. Flint corn. It is also known as Indian corn. It is characterized by hard, thick and glassy endosperm. Uses of flint corn. Popcorn. It is considered as variant of flint corn. It is characterized by very hard corneous endosperm containing only small protein of soft starch. Uses of popcorn. Sweet corn. It is extra sweet because it contains more natural sugar than other type of corn. Certainly, it was grown and used by Native American Indians in pre-Columbian times. Uses of sweet corn. Flour corn. It is characterized by soft starch kernel. American Indians ground soft starch kernels for flour. Uses of flour corn. Special purpose corn. Corns may be altered by genetic means to produce modification in starch, protein, oil and other properties. Special purpose corn type is introduced in USA from China in 1908. Waxy corn. It have waxy endosperm. This corn is completely composed of amylopectin. Uses of waxy corn. High amylose corn. Amylo maize is the generic name for the corn that have amylose content more than 50%. Uses of high amylose corn. High lysine corn. These corns have higher amino acid balance. They have more protein quality. Uses of high lysine corn. Northeastern Himalayan region is known for the remarkable genetic diversity in maize land races. Distinct and genetically isolated population that have been cultivated locally for over a century. This flowchart briefly represents the different races and distribution of maize in Northeastern Himalayan region. These are some of the major maize accessions in India. Diversity-rich pockets of Northeastern Himalayan region. Sikkim Hills, East Khasi Hills, Garo Hills, Peak and Tuensang districts of Nagaland, Aizawl and Mammoth districts of Mizoram, Kamen, Subansiri and South Siang districts of Arunachal Pradesh. These are the multi-cob maize that is found in Sikkim. Several tribal in the foothills and higher elevations of Himalayas exclusively depend on maize as their chief source of energy. Those tribal people have the deep involvement of maize in their customs, traditions and economy. Northeastern Himalayan region has the wealth of disease-resistant germplasm. Probably it was introduced by missionaries in the early part of this country. Antiquity of maize in India, an unsolved puzzle. Some people say that maize in India is a post-Columbian introduction by the Portuguese in the 16th century or later, where some others says that maize in India is a pre-Columbian introduction. It is based on various observations. This sculpture is in Somnathpur and Hoysala temples that belongs to 12th and 13th century AD, where in the second picture we can clearly see that the sculpture is holding the corn. Hence, it is safe to say that maize in India is from pre-Columbian period itself. From that day to today, maize have a major role in Indian people's customs, tradition, economy, food, decoration and ornaments too.